Good morning, students. Welcome to grammar class. Is grammar not your cup of tea? You don't like to learn grammar? Is it very boring? Let's learn grammar with simple strategies. It may be very helpful. It may be very fun for you. In today's class, we are going to see verb tenses. You may know there are three basic tenses: past tense, present tense and future tenses. First of all, what do you mean by tense? Tense is a process where timely events are communicated through verb. Could you understand? Let me say in simple words. Tense, it came from the Latin word tempus. Actually, it means the time of the action of the verb. It denotes the time of action of the verb. That is, it refers to when the action had taken place. There are 12 types of tenses are there. You may all know that. As that of a year has 12 months, there are 12 types of tenses. Under past tense, we have past simple past tense, past perfect tense, past continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense. And under present tense, we have present simple, present perfect tense, present continuous tense and present perfect continuous tense. And the last one, under the category of future tense, we have simple future tense, future perfect tense, future continuous tense, future perfect continuous tense. We can see all the tenses one by one in detail. So before that, I want to say something regarding the usage of tenses in our day-to-day life. See, here simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense, present perfect tense, present continuous tense, past continuous tense. All these 6 tenses are very useful. That is, in our day-to-day life for speaking process as well as for writing task, we are using these 6 tenses often than that of other 6 tenses. Other 6 tenses we have to know, but these 6 tenses we have to be very thorough with, because these tenses are very useful for our day-to-day speaking and writing task. And other 6 tenses we use very rarely, once in a blue moon, right? So today we are going to see first what are the verb forms and then regarding present tense. Today's class we are going to discuss what are the verb forms and what is present tense. First, let me explain what is verb form. So verb forms, there are 2 types of verbs. One is main verb and another one is helping verb. As we all know, main verbs are action verbs. That is, run, walk, jump, talk, eat, sleep. These are all action words. Every action words comes under the category of main verbs. And next one, helping verb. You may know am, is, or, was, were, have, has, had, do, did, does, shall, should. It goes on like that. These all verbs are helping verbs. So helping verb work together with the main verb. For example, she is leaving. Here, leaving is the main verb and is the helping verb. Here, when she leave, that is the process, the process leaving, when it happened. Okay, it denotes the action of the time when it happens. The helping verb helps to denote the time of the action. Helping verb helps to denote the time of the action. So let me explain with the second sentence. I have finished my work. Here the helping verb is have and main verb is finished. Here the helping verb have denotes when the action had taken place. It has taken place in the immediate past. So that is why it is given in present perfect tense. Like that, helping verbs, it works together with the main verb. It helps to denote the action, time of the action. That's all about it. So for helping verb, we have given examples, and then sometimes helping verb, they can work on their own. For example, I'm sorry. Here in the sentence I'm sorry, it is acting as a main verb. And then the next sentence, he is a great all-round player. Here it is acting as a main verb. So in some sentences like this, the auxiliary verb, that is auxiliary verb is nothing but helping verb. It can do the work of main verb. Okay, it denotes the status or state of the person. That is, the status here refers to the profession or their mind, their status of their mind. And the next one, now we come to the topic simple present tense. So what is simple present tense? A simple present tense is a verb form of a tense that tells about the action which happens regularly or which happens in the present time. Especially we use present tense for habitual actions which happens regularly, right? The format of present tense is subject plus verb s or es plus object. That is, if the subject is singular, that is he, she, it. If the subject is third person singular, we have to use vs form. That is, we have to add es along with the verb. If the subject is other than that of third person singular, we can use just V1 form, right? So for singular third person singular subject, we have to use VS form. For other subjects, we can use V1 form, ordinary V1 form. Example, she watches movie every Sunday. Here, as the subject is third person singular pronoun she, we have used watches, that is VS form. We have to add ES with the verb, with the main verb. Okay, she watches movies every Sunday. Here look at the word Sunday. So it is happening every Sunday, that is habitual action. So we have to use present tense here. In this context, we have to use present tense, right? So it is in the positive form, that is positive sentence. If you want to write in negative sentence, what we have to do? So see the main verb, watches. We have to split this main verb as auxiliary verb and main verb. To say colloquially, within this main verb, the helping verb is being hidden, right? So the helping verb being hidden here is does. So if you split it as does plus watch, you should not add es again with the main verb. Simply it is does plus watch, right? So where we have to add not for negative sentence? Between the helping verb and the main verb. It is very simple. So does plus watch. Does plus watch, you have to split it as does plus watch. And between helping verb does and main verb watch, you have to add not form for indicating the negative sentence, for representing negative sentence. That's all about it. And then next comes questions. How to write questions. So we can, in the beginner level, we can practice only with yes or no question, and then later on we can move to yes or no question. Okay. For yes or no question, it is very simple. So the main verb we can split it as does plus watch, right? So the auxiliary verb, you have to transfer the auxiliary verb to the beginning. So here which is an auxiliary verb, that is auxiliary verb means helping verb, right? So here the helping verb is does. So it should be transferred to the beginning of the sentence. So does, it should be in the front. And then after auxiliary verb, you should use the pronoun, the given pronoun. What is the pronoun here? She, right? And then after pronoun, you should write the main verb. What is the main verb here? Watch. So the question will be, does she watch movies every Sunday? Right? So the answer, what will be the answer? Does she watch movies every Sunday? The answer will be yes or no, because it is yes or no question. For yes or no question, you may know that for yes or no question, the helping verb should be in the beginning, right? And then for WH question, it is also simple, but you have to think one more point. What is the answering word here? Every Sunday. Okay, every Sunday. So you should remove every Sunday in WH question. You should move the phrase every Sunday in WH question. So it denotes the timing. So you should use the WH word when. Okay. So when, and then after that you can write as such as that of in yes or no question. Okay. The same pattern as in yes or no question. Only the difference is you should add the appropriate WH word. That's all about it. When does she watch movie? And then one more point, you should not write the answering word also. Okay, because for the question, when does she watch movie? Your answer will be, she watches movie every Sunday. So the answering word phrase should not be in the question. So the question will be simply, when does she watch movie, right? It is very simple. You may get the point, I think. And then, so these are the words today, this week, this month, this year, at the moment, now, at this time, nowadays, these days, right now, as we speak. These are the timing phrases we usually use with the present tense. Okay, these words indicate whether the sentences or in present tense, right? And then examples of present tense, some more examples we can see, then only it will be clear for you. Okay, crystal clear, you will be crystal clear in your understanding. The first sentence, he plays the piano. It is in positive sentence, and you can see the verb, main verb, it is in the verb form of VS form, because the subject pronoun is third person singular, he, right? So how to split it for forming negative sentence? The main verb play should be split as does plus play, right? So in between does and play, you should bring the word not. In between these two verbs, the word not should come there. So the answer, he does not play the piano. And then for question, so we have to transfer the helping verb does to the beginning of the sentence. So the answer will be, does he play the piano? Okay, so that's all about it. And then second, third, fourth sentence, you try to understand and try to do it on your own. It will be very helpful both for your writing task as well as for speaking process, because tense is a basic one for learning English, to be fluent in English. Got it? So you please do it properly. And then these are all the tasks you have to do and then we can discuss the answer in the next class. You have to do all these tasks, right? Okay, thank you.